how to share your TikTok profile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your TikTok profile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find just three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and now here you will find it share profile. And as you see here you can share your TikTok profile. Just select any app you want here and click on it, or you can just click copy link and share it, and that's it. It's easy. And as you see, that's how to share your profile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.